Everyone thinks the best-selling point and shoot cameras are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Kodak Pixpro FZ55BL. Let's kick things off with the Kodak Pixpro FZ45BL. This 16MP digital camera caught my eye with its stylish blue design and solid features for its price range. If you want a straightforward camera that delivers decent quality without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Plus, it shoots 1080p Full HD video, so your vlogs can look pretty sharp. The 2.7-inch LCD screen is pretty easy to navigate, which is a big plus for those who aren't tech-savvy. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The optical zoom allows you to get closer to the action without losing quality, while the HD video means you can document your adventures in detail. It has been bought over 3,000 times in the past month, which shows people are really interested in it. Now, some users did mention that the image stabilization wasn't as effective as they hoped, especially in low-light situations. Here's the thing though, if you're using this for casual photography or vlogging in good light, it shouldn't be a deal breaker at all. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking for an easy-to-use camera without too much fuss. Skip this one if you need a high-end model for professional shots. Considering its price and features, it offers great value for casual users. Now, if the image stabilization on the FZ55BL bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Kodak Pixpro FZ45RD. Next up is the Kodak Pixpro FZ45RD. This little red beauty is another 16MP digital camera that stands out with its 4x zoom capability. If you're after something compact that still packs a punch, this is definitely worth your attention. The FZ45RD features a 27 wide-angle lens that's great for various shooting scenarios. It also records in 1080p Full HD, ensuring your videos are smooth and clear. With over 2,000 units sold recently, it's clear that people are trusting this model. Here's why this matters for you. The combination of decent zoom and HD video means you can create quality content that looks good without a steep learning curve. However, a few users pointed out that the battery life could be better. Now I'll be real with you, for day trips, it could require you to carry a spare battery if you plan on shooting a lot. But for casual outings, it should be more than sufficient. This is perfect for you if you appreciate vibrant colors and ease of use in a compact design. Skip this one if you want something that lasts all day for heavy shooting. For the price, it's a solid buy for casual photographers. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want more advanced features. Product number 3, Kodak Pixpro FZ45WH. Now let's talk about the Kodak Pixpro FZ45WH. This white version of the FZ45 series is equally impressive with its 16MP sensor and 4x optical zoom. If style matters to you and you want a reliable camera for everyday use, this one's worth considering. The 4x zoom helps you capture those candid moments without crowding in on the subject. This model has been flying off the shelves, with over 2,000 purchases recently, indicating its popularity among casual users. It's great for family events or vacations because it's user-friendly and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. Some buyers mentioned that while the photos are good, they notice some noise in low-light conditions. But here's the thing, if you're primarily shooting during the day, you're likely to be more than satisfied with the results. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish camera that's easy to use for family gatherings. Skip this if you need something for serious nighttime photography. At this price, it's a fantastic option for family memories. Now, if the low-light performance of the FZ45 series concerns you, the next camera on our list might have just what you need. Product number 4, Lenipe Autofocus 4K Camera. Next is the Lenipe Autofocus 4K Vlogging Camera. Priced at just under $60, this camera offers some impressive features for beginners. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on quality, this one could be your match. This camera boasts 48 MP photo capture and 4K video capabilities, allowing you to record memories in stunning detail. The 16x digital zoom helps you get crisp shots from afar, and the digital image stabilization means fewer blurry photos. Plus, it even functions as a webcam. With over 1,000 sales recently, it's catching the attention of many who want versatility. Here's why this matters for you. The ability to shoot in 4K means you can create high-quality videos that look professional without costing a fortune. However, some users have pointed out that the autofocus can be a bit slow. Now here's my take: for casual users or those just getting started, this shouldn't be too much of a hassle, especially since you can manually adjust the focus if needed. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner wanting an affordable camera with decent specs. Skip this if you're aiming for professional-level quality right out of the box. For the price, it's an awesome entry point into photography. Alright, that was a great budget-friendly choice. But if you're looking for something with even more advanced features, the next camera on my list will surprise you. Product number 5, Jukiner 5K Digital Camera. Finally, we have the Jukiner 5K 96MP digital camera. This camera is packed with features that make it an exciting option for photography enthusiasts. If you want top-notch quality and a range of capabilities, then stick around. This camera can shoot in 5K resolution and capture up to 96MP images, which means you'll get stunning detail and clarity. The 6x optical zoom and autofocus make it easy to get beautiful shots without any hassle. Plus, it comes with a 64GB card right out of the box. With more than 500 units sold recently, it's clearly appealing to those who take their photography seriously. Here's why this matters. Having the ability to capture high-resolution images is crucial if you plan to print or showcase your work. On the downside, some users mention that it might be a bit bulky for travel. But here's the thing: if you're serious about your photography and want top-tier features, the quality you get here is worth the trade-off. This is perfect for you if you're a photography enthusiast wanting high-quality images with various features. Skip this if you're looking for something super compact for everyday carry. Given its capabilities, it's a fantastic investment for serious photographers. To wrap it up, we've explored 5 excellent point-and-shoot cameras today, from the user-friendly Kodak options to the high-performance Jukiner. Each one has something different to offer, so choose based on your needs and budget. In conclusion, we covered a range of point-and-shoot cameras that all serve different needs. The Kodak Pixpro FZ55BL is great for casual users, while the FZ45RD and FZ45WH provide stylish options with solid performance. The Lenipe camera gives fantastic value for beginners on a budget, and the Jukiner is perfect for those who want the best quality.